Yaki Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ke Sorkar jela kala Byrngem ban shu Blacklist ni ban ta'adak yong yaki Contractor ki Shna Pyndep yaki Surok balamang lingba ke Pradhan Menteri Gram Sadak Yojana katkum kapor balabo. Yakini la pentip da Chairman jong ka State Program Implementation and Monitoring Committee usaling e sangma habaya keren bat kila pathai khubor hakashi potrik ubnai nailor arhajar arpuway. Usaling sangma uliyat horu babo ni Surok balamang lepa ke Pmgsy scheme ban Shna harilum garo kila sya pendamlut balahab ban khot tender biang sasisin na kadaw ke jingle sting jong ki Contractor.
Before COVID, we have done lots of review meeting with few of the departments. Okay, we have gone to industries. I think I have already support. I mean, even what do you call it? Submitted the report. So it's already there actually. We have done lots of review meeting with all the other departments because my department is concerned about implementing about any program that is either from the state or from the center. So whichever report we have given to the state, the minister, it's already there. We recommend actually, but only thing is that we do the recommending part. Now most of them has been cancelled and it's been retendered again. And then again, some of them that have been given the awarded the work, so they have started. But we have already, warned all those new contractors if they don't finish any of the project before the tenure, then again they will be taken some kind of a consideration or some kind of an action. No, we have given the timing actually by next year they should finish most of the work. And then most of the contractors, they have agreed upon it, and then they're ready to abide by the rules we have framed for them. Actually, I don't have the numbers right now with me. Even like few are there in my constituency. Again, because I know better from my constituency, because I know every nook and corner from my constituency. There are other parts, especially even in Dading also. There are few even in Rongram area also. There are even in William Nagar Somsap. Everywhere. But most of them has been cancelled, retendered, and then some of them we had a discussion that Chief Minister himself is going to give them a blacklist also. The quality of work will not be compromised in the future.